guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited because I am doing a collaboration with Fuschia Floyd. She's a pretty new YouTuber and one of my favorites, you guys. She is a breath of fresh air here in the luxury community, and I'm so excited to be doing this collaboration with her today. She asked me if I wanted to do this collab and I said absolutely. So we've been planning it for a little while. We got bags that are quite similar, different but similar. So if you want to see what we have to share with you, stick around. All right guys, I have some eye candy. Oh my gosh, I finally got Keith to put these shelves up for me. They are the floating shelves and it looks so nice, you guys, because I've had so many people say, we miss you filming in your closet, but it's just so much easier in here because I have my desk and everything, but I knew that I needed some eye candy and I'm so excited. I think it looks so nice. All right, now let me get down to business here. Before I get into the collaboration, I was contacted by a company, a jewelry company called Galleria, and it's fine fashion jewelry. And I have to admit, I had never heard of it, but when I looked on the website, I was blown away. You guys, it is the most beautiful, exquisite, yet unique jewelry you're ever gonna find. And it just blew me away. Totally my style, and I'm so happy to be working with them. I will have a coupon code for you guys, 35% off. If you use the coupon code YotaStyle. And I know if you're like me and you like really unusual fine jewelry, it's costume jewelry, but it's a notch up. You know what I mean? It's not really just costume jewelry. So I'm excited. This is all new to me. I haven't even taken a peek, and let me show you what is in this box. All right, this is a very exciting moment. Ooh. Okay, so you open it up, and I did open it up just to see how it was packaged. So it had this nice tissue paper, and it had this little sticker, but I haven't looked inside. Okay, this is as far as I've went with it. Look at that, you guys. Look at all of these packages. Look at this. This is a mirror. They sent me an extra gift. So this jewelry is fine fashion jewelry, as I mentioned earlier. So let's get into this, you guys. This is like Christmas here today. All right, you guys. But I just wanted you to see what beautiful, beautiful packaging. Christmas is coming up. What could be better than some beautiful fine fashion jewelry that is so unique? You're not going to see it all over the place. All right, so this is a free gift that they sent me, and it reminds me of my Chanel double-faceted mirror. So yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's so nice. I love it. All right, you guys, let's just get into the good stuff here. All right, I'm just gonna grab the first one out. Look at this. How beautiful. Is there anything more elegant than black and white packaging? So it has the beautiful ribbon, and on the box it says Galleria right there at the bottom. There it is. So let's just open up this beautiful bow. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm so excited because I can't even remember what I ordered. These boxes are good quality too. So I just lift it up. There's a dust bag inside, and the goodie is in here. There's also a polishing cloth. All right, so let's just open this up and see what it is I chose. Oh yes. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, all right. I chose this necklace, and I do have let me put it on my necklace holder. So the first necklace that I chose, you guys, it reminded me of the Bulgari necklace, and it has these beautiful shimmery stones, and it just is so pretty. Look at that. I have the Bulgari bracelet, and when I saw this, I thought, wow. It really did give me the Bulgari vibes. Look at that, with a twist, okay? So this is absolutely fabulous, and it does look very much like my Bulgari bracelet. Look at that. So it has these 3 stations here, and you can adjust it to your preference. This is striking, absolutely striking. How did I get so lucky? I'm so thankful. Thank you so much to the wonderful people at Glitzar for choosing me to do this collaboration with you. I'm just absolutely thrilled. Okay, box number 2. And these boxes, wow. Chanel doesn't have anything on these boxes. I've bought Chanel jewelry and it's not as well packaged as this. So every single one comes with a polishing cloth. Here's another polishing cloth. So I chose, oh yes, I chose these beautiful butterfly earrings. I need some smaller earrings. You guys know I have a lot of piercings, so I thought that would be really pretty. I didn't really put any earrings on up here today, but that is specifically why I chose these, and I love butterflies. You guys, the quality is exceptional. I cannot tell you how gorgeous and how sturdy this is. Wow. Now, there's another box. You guys, I hit the jackpot. I'm so thrilled. So please do use my coupon code. I know you'll find something that you love. Look at these. I don't think that I've ever seen a pair of earrings like this, ever. Look how beautiful these are. If you could see these in person, it just does not do it justice on the monitor because they are so luxe. You guys, use my coupon code and find some exquisite, well-made, luxury fashion jewelry. One more piece that came in this beautiful, have you ever even seen a box like this? I couldn't remember what it was, but I took a peek. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's a butterfly necklace to match my butterfly earrings. Absolutely. Look at that. I love butterflies. T. Oh my gosh. T from Pink Butterfly Girl. Girl, use my coupon code. Does she not need this set? It's such a beautiful color gold and these earrings, and it looks just as high-end without the cost. So thank you so much, Glitzar, for sending me these lovely pieces of jewelry. I will work with you anytime. I'm absolutely thrilled to offer this to all of you subscribers, 35% off. And that alone is very generous because most companies will offer 10%, 15% off, and I am thrilled to offer 35% off with my coupon code YotaStyle. So check out the description box and get some beautiful jewelry. All right, you guys, we are to the collaboration segment of this video, and I recently got my beautiful Soufflet, is that how you say it, BB? Louis Vuitton Soufflet BB. So once I unboxed it, Eva from Fuschia Floyd, she messaged me and said, I can't believe it, we have bags that are very similar and would you like to collaborate? And I said, of course. So that was before vacation and I got to use this several times, and I can tell you guys, this is a fabulous bag. I'm so happy that I added this to my collection. So Eva has the Pallas BB. They're very, very similar, and she sent me an email and she said they're actually sister bags, and they really are. They are so similar. And I'm just going to talk to you a bit about my bag, and she sent me a few pictures so we can compare. If you are interested in either one of these bags, hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Okay, you guys, if you hear a dinging noise in the background, my phone is going off. It's Winnie and Dawn having a conversation. We have a group thing going on. But anyway, you guys, First, I want to talk to you about Eva's bag. She has the Pallas BB, and if you've been in Louis Vuitton and you've seen the employees or the sales associates wearing a cute little crossbody, it is similar to that. But the bag she has is the size BB, and I believe that she had the crossbody version at one point, sent it back, and got the Pallas BB size. So anyway, the one that she has is a little bit smaller than mine. I'm not going to go over the measurements of the bag because if you're really interested in it, they have lots of these on Fashion File. As a matter of fact, I checked today and they had one in excellent condition, but it's a little more expensive than what I paid for mine. I can't remember the price, maybe $2,700. But before I got my bag, I had messaged Becca and she said, oh, I can't get that bag. And I looked it up. This bag came out in 2020. And the bag that Eva has came out in 2016. So this one is a little bit newer, and I remember when this bag came out, I loved it, you guys. And I remember Linda Leo Lyon, she unboxed it, and I thought, what a beautiful bag. But it wasn't until I seen it in person last summer at the beach, somebody had it, and I was like, oh my gosh, that bag is so luxe and so beautiful. It's just the perfect bag. So let's just do a little ABS. And I kind of forgot about it, but then suddenly I started remembering it again, and I thought, I need to find that bag because it's such a gorgeous bag, and I think just knowing that I couldn't get my hands on it made me go on a serious hunt for it. I'm like that, you guys. If I think I can't have something, I want it all the more. But I really was loving it when I first saw it and when it first came out. And I just can't tell you how happy I am that I got it in my collection. I'm not going to go into detail with Eva's bag because she will do that on her video. But I do want to say they are very similar. They are structured bags, but not overly structured. They're very soft and supple, and they both have a middle zipper, which I absolutely love a bag with a middle zipper because that is where I like to keep my wallet for extra security. And then of course you have these little side pockets here. There's another pocket here. You have the nice microfiber lining that's so soft, and it also has the magnetic closure here, so you know, it will close on its own. One feature that I absolutely love about this bag is the fact that when I wear it crossbody, bam, the little handles fall down and they don't stick up under my boobs, or, you know, that's kind of annoying. I don't know why most bags aren't like this, but I love this feature here. Bam! And this one, of course, like the Pallas BB, is trimmed in beautiful black leather. Of course, there are other versions of this bag. I believe it comes in a vachetta and also red. I'm not sure about the Pallas BB. I've seen other versions of this bag, but I just love monogram and black. It is such an elegant look. Now, one of the cons, I think, is it does look quite fall and winterish. And I mean, you can use it all year around, but it does look fall and winterish to me. I have used it, but I wouldn't really carry this bag to the beach. Okay, while I'm going down that road, let me just show you my bag of the day, because it is a very summery looking bag. Let me get it ready for you. And actually, these bags are very similar in size. So it's my willow tote, my Coach willow tote. It's very spring and summer, and to me this looks very fall and winter, but I will use it, you know, from time to time in the summertime. But anyway, you guys, I just wanted to show you that. I love this bag, and it is all weather. I don't have to worry about vachetta. I just love the luxe look of it. And in the middle, I always store the strap. So mine comes with a black strap that is adjustable. And I believe that the Pallas BB comes with a different type of strap. I don't know if it's monogram, or I think it's monogram. I'm not sure, but she will show you. But it does come with this. And I love the versatility of this bag because I love a top handle bag. I love to carry my bags on my arm like this, but then if I want to use a crossbody bag, I have that option as well. And like I said, this bag did come out in 2020, and I'm just absolutely thrilled that I got my hands on it, you guys. It's just a lovely bag. They do have it in a larger size, the MM size, but I don't need anything like that because if I need a larger tote, I've got my Neverfulls for that. All right, so I think I'm going to do a couple mod shots so you can check it out. I'm sure Eva probably will do the same thing, and that will help you if you are considering either one of these bags. So first of all, I'm going to hold it as a handheld bag and over the crook of my elbow, and then I will try it on as a crossbody. And really, because the strap is adjustable, it doesn't really matter how tall you are, you can adjust it to your preference. To be honest with you guys, I think I'm shrinking. I was at the dermatologist's office the other day and Keith said, no, you're 5'2". And I kept saying, no, I'm 5'3". I think I'm about 5'2 and a half, you guys. I'm not very tall, but let me show you what it looks like just as a handheld bag. And I love this look. How cute is this? It's so chic, so ladylike, and I can carry it like this, or I can put the strap on it and have it as a more casual bag. How cute. The perfect shoulder bag because of that. I love that, you guys. Okay, so this is the perfect length for me. If I wanted it a little bit longer, I have a couple more holes, but it's so soft. The leather is so soft. The strap is so comfortable. And what I really love about this bag is the fact that it is structured, yet not too structured. This bag that I'm using today, it has a lot of the same features. It's a little more structured, but it is soft. But this one is super soft, you guys. So yeah, look, what a casual vibe. I just have on a pair of shorts, a little white top, and it's just a really cute vibe, I think. And you can get it to the perfect length for your height. And I cannot rave about this bag enough, you guys. I hope this has been helpful for you. I'm so excited. I should do a what fits very soon, but I didn't want to make this video too long, you guys. Please do go over to Fuschia Floyd's video. Do subscribe to her, and I think that you will find her very refreshing. I just love the fact that our paths have crossed, and she's a lovely person, you guys. I don't just say that to be saying it. She really is a lovely person. She's one of my favorite newer YouTubers. I have a lot of favorite newer YouTubers. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put her channel and video below, and also I will put some more of my favorite newer YouTubers there. Please do subscribe to them and subscribe to me if you haven't already. I would appreciate it so much. I would love to get to 6,000 subscribers, you guys, and I'll do a painting giveaway. But anyway, you guys, I hope this has been helpful. I absolutely love this bag. Thrilled that I have it. I don't really know what else to tell you, except it's a great bag. It's a great bag. So I do hope I'm falling off my... Okay. Anyway, you guys, it's a great bag. So user-friendly. That's something that matters to me. I don't really like a fussy bag, and that is, it's just really a small tote. That's the way I look at it. So I hope that this has been helpful for you guys. And I just wanted to say that I appreciate you guys so much and love you guys. Do use my coupon code if you are interested in some beautiful, unique, fine fashion jewelry from Glitzar. It's been a pleasure, and I thank you all so much, and I hope to see you on another day.